Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to The Hunter, Call of the Wild. And in my look at that, the mountains are beautiful. In my previous episode, I thought I was going to become a duck hunter. And oh, wait, did you hear that? I hear a duck. I hear ducks. So I'm going to, I'm going to get to the shoreline here just so maybe I can see some water. At least I heard some ducks, so that's good. That's more than I had last episode, where I woke up early, got to the side of the water, and was thinking I was going to do some duck hunting. Um, have not yet seen a duck in the sky or the water. I did hear one, however, just a few seconds ago. Um, so what we're going to switch to is tutorial mode, storyline mode, and not a. I guess there's more storyline later on in some of the other maps. What I had read was that there's not a lot of story, but in this particular Leighton Lakes uh, division area, that's a duck. That's a duck. And so, yeah, it's six a.m. So I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be aware if I see any ducks. I'll switch back to duck hunting mode. But I think in the meantime, we're gonna stay on this trail and we're gonna go check out Hope's Camp and see the warden. Doc is the warden. He works this district. He asked me to track animal call. That is a turkey. I'm not going to be distracted by that. Someone who's very easily distracted, I can tell you, I could chase everything in this game and never get anything done. So for me to be successful, I'm going to focus the best I can um, on one animal at a time. I know you can go out and hunt multiple things, but I think I'm going to do the best. I'm going to have to focus on one thing. And I'm going to start with ducks. They seem to be maybe um, the easiest of animals, even though I haven't seen one. So deer bucks either have a typical or atypical antler arrangement. Typical antlers are symmetrical and their points grow straight up off the main beam. Atypical antlers are I know this. So, okay, that's just information. Okay. I think what this is doing is adding points of interest, as I see the deer antlers, it's called. So that added a point of interest. Yes, and it added that to my codex, my encyclopedia. All right, we're headed into Hope's Camp. I'm not going to track any. I mean, I could. I don't think I get any points for examining tracks. Let's just go ahead and do it. Turkey. No, I'm just going to ignore it. I don't get points for that. Going to follow this trail into Hope's Camp. Now, this is a guy, he's a survivalist who lives out here. There's a sound icon. It's a moose fleeing, running away. Probably heard me coming. I'm just running, so I'm not trying to be quiet at all. Over here, we've got a couple things that are unknowns. Okay, so I'm trying to get used to the sounds. That little clucking noise is a turkey. Okay, we got two things over here, look like to be fairly close together. When I see this icon, this is something to be built, and I think it costs money to build it. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Hello, can I interact with it? Can I not, there we go. Oh, it costs $1,700 to build probably a hunting stand, but you have to have money. How much money do I have? 876. That's it. So you can't just run around this game and do nothing. So that's the thing. You have to hunt because you get paid for the animal. All right. So landmark. Landmark. Oh, inspect. Yeah. Richard's Hope's meticulously built survivalist camps can be found across the Lake District region. When hunting is your main source of sustenance, it's very important to have a few safe havens to rest at. So, okay, so landmark unlocked. Can I switch to a camera or do I? Yes, I can. Okay, select. I'm not really sure what they want me to take photos of, what he wants me to take photos of, but I thought he said there was some damage to the camp. Now, see, I'm learning. That is a turkey. I heard that sound. And then let's close the camera. Let's see what that's probably, that's human footprints. Look at that. So this is what I'm here to track. Why can I not? It does not pop up. I guess maybe I'm supposed to follow it. Let's see if there's anything else here that I'm supposed to interact with. It doesn't look like it. Maybe I can take the axe though. Probably not. It's not really a hunting weapon. So let's find the blue tracks and let's follow this and see, follow this trail. Let's see. So I think it'll be a combination of me having to do these tutorial, I guess they're not always going to be tutorial, but these storyline missions and hunting. And that's part of why I'm here. So the warden has asked me to spend some time out here. Okay, so how do I do anything with that? I mean, it leads right to that. I'm a little bit untrusting that it's gonna always pop right up and give me an option to do something. It seems like I have to be in a certain location or distance. If he's headed this direction, let me see if there's anything else I can do here. No. Oh, maybe I should take a picture of that. That's probably what he's at, what it wants me to do. No, that one, select the camera, don't shoot it. Okay, there's a rookie move right there. And I also didn't really get any confirmation that the photograph was what he wanted. And I don't see more tracks that are blue. So what does that tell me? Probably need to turn around and go back. That's what it tells me. That's kind of the end of the path. I think I was supposed to find that. I took a picture of it, hoping it would trigger something. It didn't. So it's weird. And I can't track these like an animal. So it doesn't give me like additional tracks. So we're going to kind of hoof it back here and see if there's anything that has changed. I also don't see any other, like he didn't double back and go a different direction. He just came straight from camp here. And who that is, I don't know. But I don't think I can do anything with these, whatever these are. Imagine those are maybe food being hung up. So animals, I mean, they're not very high up. So, yeah, so what do I do? Well, let's check our mission log, see what pops up here. Take photos of tracks, take photos of tracks. Okay, It's what he's asking me to do, take photos of tracks. So obviously he wasn't happy with, okay. We'll take photos of every track. That's probably what he wants, what it wants me to do. So, okay. Sometimes tutorials are frustrating. They expect you to do something exactly the way it's written. Whoops, that has to be flashing, I imagine. I don't know, maybe not. But, and the last track, which is right here. Okay, now what? I did it. Okay, let's go back to mission log. Take photos of tracks. Food was stolen. Okay, and he's asked Doc to help track down who's responsible. So I'm supposed to be investigating. Well, I did investigate. I took pictures of every footprint. Um, if he's still running this direction, the next footprints would be up here somewhere. No, that's a moose. And I don't see any blue. The trail has run dry. But I'm doing something wrong because it still tells me, let me drop that camera mode. And that's kind of the problem with tutorials is you have to guess what the developers want you to do. So did I not just take pictures of every footprint? Yes. Including this hanging in the tree? Yes. Um, have I looked in every direction for more? Wait, was that there before? Why is that there now? That's weird. Wait, see, it's gone now. How is that? That's weird. So if I drop the camera, oh, that's a moose. Oh, that's right, because I tracked that moose. It changed the moose to blue. I got excited for a minute. All right, so I did something totally wrong. How annoying is that? I took pictures of every. Let's go ahead and switch back to camera mode and just, do our little due diligence here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have to trigger the next, thing, which is frustrating because how do I know what it's really wanting me to do? So that last one, I took a picture of that. Okay, so that was the thing. It was wanting me to. It didn't say it, but you had to take a picture of this. So we'll close the camera. We will turn around, and I think coincidentally or not, now there will be more green footprints. I bet you because I triggered the next step in the tutorial. Probably now it'll say you found like the shirt hanging in the tree, even though I've already seen it. Okay, so that actually closed the mission, and that's so funny. You can't do it in your order; you have to do it in their order. So, spend perk points to unlock new weapon proficiencies. Perk points are required at certain character levels. Okay, so that mission is complete, and Hope's Camp for now is done. Let's take a look at that mission log. We'll see what comes up. So I've got some side missions because I've finished all the big missions. So a couple side missions. Travel to Balmont, which I've already done. Find 3 footprints from 3 different black-tailed deer. There's also, that's hope number 1 side mission. Dock 21, travel to Lake Sheila and harvest a deer at night. So do I continue one of those, or do I go back to hunting? Great question. I don't know. So tune in next time to find out what I decide. Thanks for joining me. At least we finished that one side mission and accomplished something. See you next time. For now, though, Mr. Johns is out.